Welcome to Scimath Academy. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the easiest way to add fraction. This video consists of three parts. In part first, we will do simple addition. In part second, we will do addition of fraction using trig. In part 3, we will add fraction using LCM. In part first, we will do simple addition. We will do simple addition when the denominator of the fraction are same, like 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Here, the denominator of both of the fraction are same, so we will add up the numerator simply and will keep the denominator as same. Just like 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2, which is equal to 1 plus 3 as 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. In another example, 18 over 19 plus 3 over 19. Here again, the denominator of both of the fraction are same, so we will add the numerator and will keep the denominator as same. So 18 over 19 plus 3 over 19 is equal to 18 plus 3 over 19, which is equal to 21 over 19. So 18 over 19 plus 3 over 19 is equal to 21 over 19. In another example, 16 over 20 plus 13 over 20 plus 2 over 20. Again, there are three fractions and the denominator of the three fractions are same, right? So 16 over 20 plus 13 over 20 plus 2 over 20 is equal to 16 plus 13 plus 2 over 20. We add up the numerator here and kept the denominator as same, which is equal to 31 over 20. So 16 over 20 plus 13 over 20 plus 2 over 20 is equal to 31 over 20. No, in simple addition, we add up the numerator and kept the denominator as same. If you have mastered the simple addition of fraction, then can you answer what is the value of 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5? So dear viewer, comment the value of 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5 in the comment section. Since we have completed the part first of simple addition, we are going to discuss the part 2, adding fraction using trig. And for 2, we will add up the fraction with different denominator, but we will do not use LCM or any other method. We will do simple addition but with different denominator. So we will use the butterfly method or the simple trig method that can be used for adding the fractions. In butterfly method, we have to multiply this 5 with this 3, which is equal to 15, and multiply this 4 with this 4, which is equal to 16. Divide by multiply this 4 with this 5, which is equal to 20. 16 plus 16 is 31, and write the denominator as same, which is equal to 20. So the addition of 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5 is equal to 31 over 20. So this method is used without using LCM. Now here is another example, 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6. Again, we will multiply 6 with 2, which is equal to 12, and multiply 3 with 5, which is equal to 15, whereby multiply 3 with 6, which is equal to 18. So 12 plus 15 is equal to 27 divided by 18. Now we will simplify 27 over 18, which is equal to 3 over 2. So 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2. In another example, 6 over 8 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 5 times 6 as 30 and 8 times 3 as 24. Divided by 8 times 5 is 40. 30 plus 24 as 54 divided by 40. No, we will simplify 45 over 40, which is equal to 27 over 20. So 6 over 8 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 27 over 20. So dear viewer, if you have mastered the butterfly method or the butterfly trick, can you find the value of 5 over 8 plus 3 over 9? Find the value of 5 over 8 plus 3 over 9 and answer and comment the answer in the comment section. We have completed the part 2, so we will start part 3. And add the fraction using LCM. This method consists of 3 steps. The step 1 is find the LCM of the denominators if they are different. Second step, multiply and divide the fraction with set of numbers such that the denominators of the equivalent fractions equal to the LCM. Step 3, now add the fraction with like denominators. For example, if we want to add 2 or more fractions with unlike denominators, then we have to use this method. So first of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominators of this fraction. So we will write the denominator or in row, divide the denominator with the least common divisor. right? So we will divide 5, 3 and 5 by least common divisor, or any number you can take to divide these three numbers. So we will divide these number by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 is not divisible by 5, so we will bring 3 down, and 9 is not divisible by 5, so we will bring 9 here. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. No, 1 and 1 are not divisible by 3, so we'll bring down as same and divide 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So the LCM of 5, 3 and 9 is equal to 45, which is the multiplication of the prime numbers 5, 3 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15, times 3 is 45. Now the LCM of 5, 3 and 9 is equal to 45. We'll multiply 4 over 5, 6 over 3 and 7 over 9 with such a number such that the denominator of this fraction equal to the LCM of this number. We will multiply 4 over 5 with 9 over 9 such that the denominator of 4 over 5 become equal to 45. So when we multiply 4 over 5 with 9 over 9, the answer will be 36 over 45. Now we will multiply 6 over 3 with such a number such that the denominator of 6 over 3 become equal to 45. So we will multiply 6 over 3 with 15 over 15. So 6 times 15 is 90 and 3 times 15 is 45. Now we will multiply 7 over 9 with such a number such that the denominator of 7 over 9 become equal to 45. So we will multiply 7 over 9 with 5 over 5. So 7 times 5 is 35 and 9 times 5 is 45. Right, so the denominator of this fraction equal to the LCM of the 3. We'll add up this fraction with the same denominator. So 36 over 45 plus 90 over 45 plus 35 over 45. Now we will take the denominator as same because these fractions have the same denominator and add up the numerator. Alright, so what is equal to 36 plus 90 plus 35 over 45, what is equal to 161 over 45. So by adding this fraction 4 over 5 plus 6 over 3 plus 3 over 9 is equal to 161 over 45. This is the addition of these fractions with different denominator having 3 or more terms. Now here is another example in which we have to add the fraction with 3 or more terms. Here we see that we are adding 4 over 6 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 12. First of all, we will take the LCM of the denominator of this fraction. So we will take the LCM of 6, 7 and 12. So the LCM of 6, 7 and 12 is equal to 84. So we will multiply 4 over 6, 3 over 7 and 4 over 12 with such numbers such that the denominator of this fraction equal to 84. So we'll multiply and divide 4 over 6 with 14 such that the denominator of this fraction equal to 84. So 4 times 14 as 56 and 6 times 14 as 84. 3 times 12 as 36 and 7 times 12 is 84. 4 times 7 is 28 and 12 times 7 is 84. Now here we see that the denominator of these equivalent fraction of the original fraction equals to 84. Now we will add up this fraction with the same denominator. So 56 over 84 plus 36 over 84 plus 28 over 84 is equal to, we will keep the denominator as same and add up the numerator. So now we will add up this fraction with the same denominator. So 56 over 84 plus 36 over 84 plus 28 over 84 is equal to 120 over 84. Now we will simplify 120 over 84 and we will get the answer 30 over 21. So when we add up the fraction 4 over 6 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 12, the answer will be 30 over 21. Where you can add up the fraction with different denominator having 3 or more terms. In example number 3, we are adding the fraction with 2 terms, just like 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5. Now, we can easily add up this fraction using LCM. So, we will take the LCM of 7 and 5, which is equal to 35, and multiply the fraction 3 over 7 and 2 over 5 with such a number such that the denominator of this fraction equal to the LCM of these numbers. So, we will multiply 3 over 7 over 5 with 5 over 5 such that their answer is 15 over 35. And multiply 2 over 5 with 7 over 7 such that your answer is 14 over 35. And the denominator of both of the fraction equal to 35. Now these fractions become equivalent, so we'll add up these fractions simply. So 2 over 7 plus 2 over 5 is equal to 15 over 35 plus 14 over 35. Now we will keep the denominator as same, which is equal to 35, and add up the numerator, which are equal to 15 plus 14. So 15 plus 14 is 29, and the denominator is 35. So when we add up 2 over 7 plus 2 over 5, answer will be 29 over 35. If you have learned this method, then comment the answer of 5 over 6 plus 1 over 8 in the comment section and ask any question that you are confused about. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting and informative videos about mathematics.